Ultimately, we're going for a school garden, so we pulled up this native soil. It's very compacted and calcareous when we started with it, and it's just this vacant plot that was completely sterile because it had been covered by this outbuilding. And since it's been removed, it looked like an ideal area for a garden. However, the soil was very poor. There's no organic material or life whatsoever. So we tried several different amendments. We did the, you want to explain?
This is the 1 part native soil to 1 part organic blend, and you can see that the production on it is 5 times greater at least. This one here is a 1 part amendment to 1 part soil, 50-50 blend, and the production on that is pretty awesome. And then this is the 1 part native to 2 part amendment. So we have 2 part.
And what is your amendment?
We used a product that I brought from home. It's a blend of bark and organic primarily.
Okay, great.
Just some fluffy stuff in there. And then this one over here is 1 part perlite, 1 part amendment, 1 part native. Third.
Hey, here's some basil over here.
We were surprised that one didn't do as well. It seems that the perlite, when initially watered, all rose to the surface, actually uprooting the corn and the bean. So they unfortunately didn't survive, and now it's sitting in there without any competition and still kind of just hanging out.
Well, and a life lesson here, this was all started from seed, germinated at Kristen's place, so it's a pretty true to life example of what you can wind up with just a little bit of work.
Absolutely.
Good job, girl.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us today.
Indeed.